Need to restore a TRADOS translation memory from a TRB backup file? These backup archives are critical for protecting years of translation work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to restore and work with these TRADOS translation memory backup files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the TRB file. I'll reveal it at the end. A user with a taught TRB file is likely a professional translator trying to restore a translation memory backup created by TRADOS Studio. Their intent is to recover previously translated segments to ensure consistency and speed up their current localization projects, making this file critical to their workflow. The taught TRB format is a proprietary binary backup of a TRADOS translation memory database. It was designed as a failsafe, allowing translators to archive and restore their valuable linguistic data. The structure is optimized for a complete monolithic restore rather than granular access to individual segments. For the TRB file type, TRADOS Studio from RWS Group is a trusted and reliable source. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows usually cannot preview backup files, so compatible restore tools are needed to read them properly. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the TRB file and hit Open With. Use TRADOS Studio if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If you cannot access the TRB file, no problem. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the TRB file begins. First, restoring in TRADOS Studio. Open TRADOS Studio and navigate to the Translation Memories view. Use the Open option and select Browse for backup files. Locate the TRB file and TRADOS Studio will restore the translation memory database to the specified location, making translation units available for new projects. Next, using TRADOS Backup utility. Older TRB files from legacy TRADOS versions may require the original TRADOS Translators workbench or the TRADOS Backup utility for restoration. Install the appropriate legacy version and use the restore function to recover translation memory data, then upgrade to current TRADOS Studio format. Finally, converting to TMX format. After restoring the translation memory, export it to the standard TMX translation memory exchange format for portability. In TRADOS Studio, open the restored TM and use export to TMX. The TMX format is supported by all major CAT tools including MemoQ WordFast and Omega T for cross-platform translation memory exchange. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.